Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing well today. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. I'm Just Ro. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. So, I actually just came back from the cottage just the other day ago, and I've been super busy, so I haven't been able to film this till now. So thankfully I was able to film this before Sunday came along. The cottage I went with my boyfriend, my sister, and her boyfriend as well. It was super fun and chill, just to be able to relax out at the cottage, seeing the lake and being able to do whatever we want while we were there. We were able to go swimming, canoeing, and fishing, so that was super fun. And also we were able to have a campfire as well and had s'mores, which I haven't had since like maybe the last time I went camping or at the cottage when I was like super young with my relatives actually, but that was super fun. Definitely recommend you guys, if you're able to go out to the cottage or camping with friends, family, or with your loved ones. It'll be super nice just to get out of home and just enjoy nature. But anyways, I just wanted to share you that little mini trip we had. If you followed me on Instagram, you'll be able to see some stories I posted when I was away for just a few days. So for today's video, I'll be doing a mini haul of watches that I recently have purchased. So the watches I purchased was from Rosefield. I'm not too sure if any of you guys are familiar with Rosefield. Rosefield is a company that they usually call either Rosefield or Rosefield Watches. They usually make mostly watches and straps, watch straps, and also some jewelry and personalized jewelry, which I definitely recommend any of those products, which I have purchased in the past. It is a luxury inspired brand from Amsterdam and New York City. I actually found Rosefield I believe like a few years ago, maybe like 3 or 4 years or even 5 years ago on Instagram. You know how they usually have those sponsor ads that you see on your page? Well, Rosefield was one of them, which I decided to click on and see what they had in store. And when I was first looking at their website the first time, I was like super interested in buying a watch from them, since I didn't really have any fancy looking watches yet, and during the time when I purchased it, I wanted something that I could use for my work in more like an office setting, or something that's fancier for maybe formal occasions. So I decided to choose a watch, which was my first purchase, and I was super happy that I purchased it. During that time I did buy a bit of a bigger watch. To be honest, I don't really remember how big the dimensions for the watch was when I purchased it, but it was more of a bigger watch, but I still use it from time to time. And then after that, my other purchase that I purchased was actually one of the watch straps that they sell. You're actually able to switch out your straps, so that's a really big thing too. So you don't have to buy a whole new watch just to have a different look. For this, you'll still wear the same watch you have, but just change straps. If you want more of like a fancier strap or a casual strap, you can always change your strap, but you have to make sure that you double check the sizings for the straps and watches you get, since there are a few sizes they do sell. Some of the styles they do only comes with certain sizes for the styles, but I'll be linking down their link below so you can check out what else they do offer. So another purchase that I actually did get from Rosefield was recently. I got maybe about a few months ago, before Mother's Day, I did looked at their jewelry. I looked at their personalized jewelry and I decided to buy two for myself and one for my mom for Mother's Day. So I'm actually wearing one of them right now. I'm not too sure if you can see it. I did get a personalized necklace for myself that has my initials engraved on the necklace, and I bought another necklace too that's a little bit shorter that goes around here that is also personalized as well. And for my mom, I got her a bracelet that just dangles around as well. My mom actually really enjoyed the bracelet. She was actually kind of jealous that I didn't get her a personalized necklace like this, but I definitely recommend if you want to get gift sets or decide to get more of a personal gift for people. I definitely recommend checking out Rosefield as well. Another great thing about Rosefield is actually they do ship worldwide, which is great for everyone. I actually did recently join a Rosefield feedback session community video call with a bunch of people around the world and with Rosefield, and it was pretty fun and interesting opportunity to be able to join and talk to people around the world who are also fans of Rosefield. We were able to talk to people who work from Rosefield about the products they have and just about Rosefield in general. So when I was on that call, I was able to see there's a bunch of versatile different people around the world that also enjoy wearing this watch as well, which is very cool. It was my first time experiencing that kind of experience, but I really enjoyed it since I got to hear everyone's feedback about what they think about the watches and stuff that Rosefield that might be coming up soon. So make sure you follow them on Instagram and check out their website frequently to see maybe they'll have a new products or a new line they'll be dropping out soon. So the watches that I got today, did purchase 3 watches recently from Rosefield, and I decided to try out more of a smaller watches look since I've been really into like smaller kind of jewelry recently. The first one that I'll be showing you guys is the small edit white steel rose gold. Is a 26 milliliters diameter. So let me put this here. So it comes in, or for me actually, it came in this box actually. I really like how the box is so simple. It says Amsterdam, New York City. So for the first watch, I actually did wear this watch recently. I couldn't wait till I filmed this, so I ended up wearing only this watch. The other ones I didn't wear yet, so you'll see my first reaction when I opened those watches. But I really wanted to open this watch already. So it comes in here, and inside actually comes with an extra little strap to make it longer and a little tool you can use for your watch, which is cool to have. And it also came with this inside. I'm guessing this is oh yes. So it came inside the card. It's a warranty card that I got for this watch. It is saying that's to register your Rosefield watch. So you have basically 2 years from the day of purchase for a warranty for this watch. So a 2-year warranty, but you must register your watch to use it. And then it also comes with this. It kind of looks like a bookmark almost shape, but it is just a little message from Rosefield, a little about their products and their company. And then this is a little manual that comes with as well. That's pretty cute. This is such a cute watch. It's super small. I really like the size of the watch actually. Okay, so it does come a little bit looser, but I don't mind it. But this is a watch. The next watch I got is called the Premium Gloss Black Gold, also in a 26 milliliters diameter. Same kind of packaging it came with. Since I didn't open this one yet, it did came with a little strap that just shows which watch you got, and a little tag that says Rosefield, and it shows which watch you got. But this one is more of a little casual one that I decided to purchase since I don't really have a super casual one yet. This is actually vegan leather, the strap, but it's more of a glossy finish. Very cute as well. And the last watch I got is one of the most popular watches they have. It's called the Ace Silver Sunray Rose Gold in the 33 milliliters diameter. Ooh, this is cute. I really like this. It's cute. It's a little bit bigger for the size. Watch actually also came with the adjustable strap with a little tool they added in here. But this watch is super cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is also in rose gold, but if I compare the different sizes, you can see the difference from the 26 and the 33. I really like the 26 size actually. I like the size. It's a little bit, it's like a smaller cute kind of watch, but this one's also really cute if I wanted. It's like a medium size watch. I believe the one I bought a few years ago was, I think it's a bit bigger than this actually. Okay, yes. This is the watch I bought a few years back. Actually, it's also rose gold. Let's compare the sizes. Oh yeah, so it is a little bit bigger. I think maybe this is a 38 milliliters, I think. But look, my watch is really still looks really good still, even though it's been years. It did chip a little bit because I did actually drop it on the road by accident, but it still looks really good. Also, I know that Rosefield does also add small little gifts that comes for free. Usually, I believe it's like $50 and above purchases that come with a little gift. They don't always do it, but they do it sometimes. But if you just check out their Instagram or websites, you would usually see if they do, some of the purchases do come with a little small gift they usually add. I've gotten a few little small gifts what times I purchased from Rosefield actually, and it's really cute actually. Like right now, they actually are giving a like those beach tote bags for $50 over purchases, which I'm really tempted to purchase something new right now, but I I don't really need any anything at the moment, but maybe I'll purchase something sometime soon. I'm actually waiting for the fall, just in case they do drop something new, and see if I can purchase something. Hopefully they will add a little gift during that time too. So ever since I found Rosefield Watches, it's been my only favorite watch. I haven't purchased any watch for anywhere else. I love how they make their watches look so fancy or elegant, you can say, in such a simple way. Because I know some watches, I don't like it when there's like too much going on, but for them it's so simple, which I love so much. And I'm so happy that I recently purchased the smaller watches. I feel like I'm in love with the smaller watches more than the bigger watch I got a few years back. But I feel like I could dress it either for work or for casual events, or even just when I go to like a fancier parties, I can use that watch as well. Also, the prices is actually not too bad in my opinion. The prices they sell these watches for are pretty affordable for if you are looking for like a decent watch to get that is in good quality. So I definitely recommend you check out their website, and also double check which country you're coming from when you're purchasing, since usually it automatically goes onto their European website. So just double check on that too as well. So that wraps up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my mini haul of my Rosefield watches that I recently purchased, and just wanted to share with you guys with this. I wanted to say thank you again for all your support, for watching my videos, liking, commenting, and subscribing to me. I try my best to post a new video every Sunday for you guys, and definitely comment below if you have any suggestions, topics, or anything you want me to film. I'm open to hearing you guys out, and don't forget to also follow me on my Instagram account, JustRo. You can catch me post any upcoming videos I'll be posting about, my day-to-day life, and anything else that comes along the way. Say thank you again, and I'll hope to see you guys soon. Bye!